Welcome to Folder Printer's Free Design Tool 101. Today we're going to teach you the basics of using our new free design tool. The first thing I'd recommend that you do is that you register up at the top here. The reason you do this is that it will allow you to save your designs directly into your own portfolio. Once you've registered, click on the link under our logo that says 9x12 Presentation Folders. This will take you to the screen where you can select the specific specifications for your folder design. Once you've done that, scroll to the bottom here and click on Use Free Design Tool. We have quite a few designs and are adding new ones all the time. But for today, I'm going to start with Presentation Folder Red. I'm going to select it by clicking on it. This is your basic presentation folder layout. On the right here you have the front cover, on the left the back cover, and then down below are the pockets. On the left side of the screen here you'll see all the elements that you can change on your folder. On the right side of the screen you can add text, add an image, add a shape, or even add a barcode or a QR code. Let's start by adding a logo. I'm going to select this logo holder here and click the trash can to delete it. Then I'm going to select this icon for images. I'm going to click on Upload Files. I'm going to find the logo I want, which today is going to be this black logo small. And I'm going to either say Open, or I could have double-clicked on it. Or here I can double-click on it to place it, or I can click on it and say Insert. But to be quick, I'm just going to double-click on it. I'm going to select it by clicking on it and dragging it. Do you see those pink lines that are popping up? That's telling me I'm centered left to right. As you see, they go away when I'm not centered. Centered left to right, and if I drag it down, now my logo is centered on the folder on the front cover. But you know what? I want to bring it above center, but yet still centered left to right, about there. I'm also going to select the corner here and just drag it down a little bit to reduce the size, and then reposition it. Now, let's go ahead and change this text on the back. You can change it by clicking here and then clicking on the pencil, but what I like to do is I like to come up to the top here on the left, and I like to just select what I want to change here and change it. Let's add our web address. And then where the phone number is, I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to add just our phone number. As you can see, it's changed the text and left it centered down at the bottom here. Now let's add a logo to the back. I'm going to click Uploads. Let's grab this white one and say Open. Now I'm going to double click it and it's popped it onto the folder. Let's drag it into position, grab a corner and shrink it down, and reposition it to center just above that text. Perfect. Okay, the final thing I want to do is change the color. So as you can see, these shapes, this is the top one and the bottom one, and they're both red. I'm going to select the bottom one here, and as you can see, it's selected it here as well. I'm going to come up here to the paint bucket, click on it. Let's change it to black. Say OK. Let's change this top one to black as well. And say OK. That's what I was looking for. OK, you've just created your first folder. Now let's save it by clicking Save Design. Let's give it a name. And hit Save. Now it's saved your design directly into your own portfolio. As you can see, I have other designs here that I've saved in the past, so I can select from any of these. If I want to order this folder, I can click Order, or if I want to make any edits, I can either edit it, but what I'd recommend is you do Save a Copy. That'll allow you to go and edit it and rename it. That's how simple it is to create your own folder design using our new free design tool. Thank you from all of us here at folderprinters.com.